first piece of pumpkin pie. With whipped cream.
He's just massaging the whipped cream. Oh, I think. No. Here, have some pie. Get in there. Oh yeah. What the heck is this?
It's all mush. Oh, was the first piece of pumpkin in there?
Is he good?
Oh. Dad's got that camera out again.
He's like acting for the camera too. Eh?
Yeah.
He's
I'll
like
just
going to
gingerly touch it. You want Mom to give you a bite?
He likes sweets. Num nums. You like? You like?
Hey, happy Thanksgiving! You're funny, sweetheart.
I think he likes it too. You like it? You like?
Uh-oh, he's gonna pick up that whole piece. Yeah.
Rub it in, baby. Stewie. Stewie like.
He's gonna be mad when it's all gone.
It's pretty bad the camera's doing the anti-shake thing. So I'm laughing. Is that yummy? Is that good pumpkin pie? Oh. Mommy's such a good cook.
I think Auntie Safeway baked that.
Ooh.
He's just staring at the camera.
He's acting.
Who's that guy? He's eating pie too. Here, mommy help you. Here, why don't you put this food in your mouth? There you go. Oh my. Can I have a napkin? Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, no, you're not all done? You're not gonna go bye-bye?
Cooper.
He's like, no, I don't want to make this last.